Welcome to Optocrack, everyone. Today, we'll quickly learn about the anatomy of the eye. First, let's start with the basics. A human eyeball is about 24 millimeters in diameter. It's made up of 3 layers: the outer fibrous coat, the middle vascular coat, and the inner nervous coat. The outer fibrous coat contains the sclera and the cornea. The sclera is the white part of your eye, which provides structure and protection. The cornea is the transparent front part that lets light in. Now let's talk about the middle vascular coat, also called the uvea. It contains the iris, the ciliary body, and the choroid. The iris is the colored part of your eye, which controls the size of the pupil, which regulates the amount of light entering the eye. The ciliary body produces the aqueous humor, or the fluid in the eye, and helps with focusing. The choroid is full of blood vessels and provides nourishment to the eye. Finally, the inner nervous coat, or the retina. The retina contains photoreceptor cells that convert light into neural signals, which are then processed by the brain. The eye is divided into 2 segments, the anterior segment and the posterior segment. The anterior segment contains the cornea, the iris, and the lens, while the posterior segment contains the retina, the choroid, and the vitreous body. Now let's talk about the visual pathway. The optic nerve carries signals from the retina to the brain. Then the brain interprets these signals as images. The eye sits in a bony cavity in the skull called the orbit. The orbit also contains muscles, nerves, and blood vessels that support eye function. Finally, the appendages of the eye include the eyelids, eyelashes, and tear glands, which protect and maintain eye health. So that was a quick overview of eye anatomy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Optocrack, and stay tuned for more educational content like this. That's all for now.